At the Range is brought to you by Davidson's Gallery of Guns.
Tom, you're a military guy. Military loves their acronyms. One getting a lot of play these days, LPVO.
Low-powered variable optic.
Okay, well, we have an LPVO here. It's from TruGlo, and it's their Omnia. Now, they've had a 1 to 4 and a 1 to 6. This is their new 1 to 8. Now, low power means the bottom end is 1x, no magnification at all. You can run it like a red dot real close up, but 8 power all the way at the top. That's bringing it out there.
Right, and so, you know, when you start talking low-powered variable optics, man, everybody's got an opinion like, well, is it a true 1 power? Well, pro tip. You can take any low-powered variable and by adjusting the diopter, make it a true 1 power. How would you do that? Make sure your gun's empty, pointed at the blinds, and twist the diopter. That's this little ring back here. Twist this bad Johnson until everything lines up and you're good to go. And then you can get on the internet and tell all your friends it's a true 1X. But, you know, more relevant features about this particular optic is, you know, it's got a great reticle. It's a second focal plane reticle, and these days everybody wants the first focal plane all the things. If max magnification is 10 or less, it should probably be a second focal. Why? At 1x it's faster. Special Operations Command actually did a study, and they figured out that shooting at close distance, guys are faster fractions of a second with a second focal than they are first focal, and that's because it's easier to pick the reticle up. It's back here in the second focal plane. It's crazy. They put a good reticle in this one. It's got a floating dot with a 12 MOA horseshoe around it, so you get some good precision, but if you want to shoot fast, you've got a bold aiming feature. Just put the big horseshoe on what you want to hit the gas, and you're good to go.
Well, it wasn't too long ago when scope makers were telling you that you couldn't even get an 8-power magnification range in a scope. And now, not only can you get it, but this is an affordable scope. Suggest a retail on this is less than $450.
Right, and by the time you count optic and mount, you know, if you want to experiment with
that
magnification,
I'm stopping you. Optic and mount. This comes with the flip-up scope covers and the mount, so you're good to go.
Right, and so, you know, when you look at that price range, and a lot of times if you want to really, like, you know, what do I think of a 1 to 8? You know, this one's got an illuminated reticle. Well, how useful is that? Well, you can find out without breaking the bank. Other features that they've got on this, the turrets adjust in half MOA increments, but they lock windage and elevation. And of course, it's got a rheostat over here with 1 through 11 on illumination settings. So that's the new TruGlo Omnia 8, 1 to 8 by 24. You can check it out at the store near you.